Hello students. So today the topic of discussion is ZAT 2022 examination. So as you know, Xavier's aptitude test, the notification is out. So in this video I will talk details about ZAT syllabus and the institutes which accept ZAT score. We will talk in details about that and what are the ZAT examination fees and how is the registration process you have to go forward with. So everything in detail we will discuss in this video. So watch this video till the end and also like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel. Do share the link of this channel with your friends and also hit the bell icon to get updates on management entrance examination. So let us begin our discussion about ZAT. So for more than 70 years, XLRI is conducting ZAT at an all India level to select the most appropriate students for management education. So ZAT 2022 will be conducted by XLRI on behalf of Xavier Association of Management Institutes, which is in short called XAMI. Now I will discuss about these XAMI members, but let me tell you that ZAT is the common entrance test to academic programs of XLRI and other XAMI members. And apart from XLRI, the ZAT score is also used by more than 160 institutes who are non-XAMI members but enlisted with ZAT. Now the full form of ZAT is Xavier's aptitude test. It is an entrance test which will be online, and the timeline has already been announced, which will be discussed in this video only. Now let us look into which colleges are accepting ZAT scores. As I told you, the Xavier Association of Management Institutes, in this XAMI league there are 12 members. So let us discuss about them one by one. Loyola Institute of Business Administration. This is located in Chennai, and here I have given the website also. So commonly known as LIBA. LIBA is accepting ZAT score for its management program. The second institute I'll talk about accepting ZAT score is XIME, Xavier Institute of Management and Entrepreneurship, which is located on Hosur Road in Bangalore. So XIME is the common name which all of the students, they know this institute. So XIME is accepting ZAT score. Xavier Institute of Management and Research is the third on the league. So the third XAMI member I'll talk about is Xavier Institute of Management and Research. It is located in Mumbai. The website is given over here. Then the next member which is accepting ZAT score from this Xavier Associated Management Institute is Xavier Institute of Development Action and Sciences. The campus is in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. The website is given over there. The next college we will talk about in the ZAT enlisted institutes under Xavier Association of Management Institute is XLRI, that is Xavier School of Management. We all know that it is located in Jamshedpur, and XLRI website is given over here. The next institute is Xavier Business School, which is located in New Town in Kolkata. This is a part of St. Xavier's University, Kolkata. Xavier Institute of Management under Xavier University, Bhubaneswar. This is also accepting ZAT score. And Xavier Institute of Social Science, that is XISS Ranchi. This will be another institute which is under ZAT. And St. Joseph's Institute of Management, Bengaluru. This is also accepting ZAT score for admission into management program. The next on the card is Quinlan School of Business, which is located in Chicago, Illinois. The website is given over here. and St. Aloysius Institute of Management located in Mangalore, this is also accepting ZAT score, and St. Francis Institute of Management and Research located in Borivali, Mumbai is also under ZAT enlisted institutes. So friends, we all talked about the 12 ZAMI members who accept ZAT 2022 score. You can apply there. There are the other colleges as well, who are accepting ZAT score. If you talk about top colleges accepting ZAT score, I'll come up with a video on that with the asking cutoff and all. But if you talk about which are those top colleges in that list, MICA, Ahmedabad, that is accepting ZAT score. IMT, Ghaziabad, IMT, Nagpur campus, IMT, Hyderabad campus, IMT, Dubai campus, they are all accepting ZAT score. Now TFI Manipal is accepting ZAT score. For School of Management, Delhi, they accept ZAT score. JIM Goa Institute of Management, Goa, KJ Somaiya, Mumbai, they are also accepting ZAT score. Now Indian Institute of Foreign Management, Bhopal, and IRMA Anand, these two institutes, I think you can apply with the ZAT score. Apart from that, Wellinkar Mumbai, Wellinkar Bangalore campus, they are also accepting ZAT score. Institute of Insurance and Risk Management, Hyderabad, IPE Hyderabad, these two institutes are also accepting ZAT score. Apart from that, IMI, 3 out of 3 campuses of IMI Bhubaneswar is also accepting ZAT score. You can also look forward to SDMIMD Mysore, SCMS Cochin, School of Petroleum Management, Pandit Deen Dayal Petroleum University, they are also accepting ZAT score. So with that exhaustive list on the B schools which are accepting ZAT score, I'll make a video on that, and you can revert back to me with the specific college if you want, or with the specific college cutoff, or any information if you require on any of these colleges. In the description box, all our social media handles are given. You can WhatsApp us, you can message us. So that is how you can get to know that with your ZAT score, as per your preference, as per your specialization or location choice, which are the colleges you can apply for. Now we will talk about eligibility criteria for ZAT 2022. So candidates completed a bachelor's degree with minimum 3 years duration or equivalent in any discipline from any UGC recognized university is eligible to apply for ZAT. And those students who are completing their final year graduation examination by June 10th, 2022 are also eligible to apply for ZAT 2022 examination. Now, all Indian citizen or candidates of Indian nationality can appear for ZAT 2022. And if you are an NRI or if you are a foreign candidate who is looking forward to ZAT, you must apply through your GMAT score in this all Xavier Associated Member Institutes. Now, the ZAT exam date is scheduled on Sunday, January 2nd, 2022. And the ZAT organizing authority has given you a lot of choice on exam centers. So you are advised to go through this test center cities, and you can choose the test center based on your nearest proximity or convenience. Now let us look into ZAT 2022 syllabus. ZAT syllabus 2022 is bit modified. Now ZAT 2022 will have 4 sections instead of the previous pattern which had 5 sections earlier. The essay writing section has been removed from ZAT exam syllabus 2022. So this is an important point to remember. And the remaining 4 sections are on verbal ability, reading comprehension and logical reasoning, decision making, and quantitative ability and data interpretation. And general knowledge will form single question paper in single section instead of 2 different parts without break. So that was that 2022 syllabus in new pattern. Now how will the exam pattern will be? So the total number of questions in that exam 2022 shall not exceed 100 questions. So you are going to answer number of questions which will be within 100. All these questions will be MCQ type, multiple choice questions will be there, and you will be given multiple choice answers. You have to take the right answer. 75 questions will be with negative marking. So if you answer wrong option or tick the wrong option, there will be negative marking or the deduction, you lose marks. Whereas 25 general knowledge questions, that will be without negative marking. So in the general knowledge section, you can answer those questions without any hesitation because there will not be any negative marking. So accordingly, you can prepare your XAT strategy. Now talking about the XAT 2022 registration fees. The XAT registration fees within the stipulated time without any late fee will be rupees 1800, that is 1800 INR per candidate, right? And candidates interested in XLRI programs, they need to pay an additional fee of rupees 300 each. So with that score, if you want to apply to XLRI, so per program application charges will be 300 each. Now this payment can be made by using debit card, like a credit card, internet banking, IMPS, cash cards or mobile wallets. That is completely online. You have to pay the registration fees while doing the application. In case if you are late, that is you want to apply for that but your last date has passed by, then with late fee you can also register for that. With late fee, the that registration fees will be rupees 2100, that is you need to pay again online. And for XLRI programs, if you are late to apply, then you need to pay an additional fee of rupees 500 each. If you are an Indian candidate and you want to apply to Executive PGDM, then through GMAT, the application fee will be 2500. And if you are an NRI or foreign candidate applying for one or more programs at XLRI through GMAT, then the application fee will be 5000. Now we will have a quick look on XAT 2022 important dates. Look, XAT and XLRI registration dates will end on November 30, 2021. So please mark this date. This is very important in case if you are interested for XAT examination. 30th November, the registration window will close down. And you will be able to download XAT 2022 admit card from December 20, 2021 onwards. The website link is being given in the description box for your convenience. The examination, as I told you already, is scheduled on January 2, 2022 on Sunday. Now after the examination, the XAT result will be published within 3 weeks after the conducting of this XAT 2022. So we can expect the result by the last week of January of 2022, that is by January 31st. And you can download the scorecard in between January 31 to March 31, 2022. So that was that 2022 timeline for you. Now friends, that was the detail about XAT 2022 examination. I will also come up with the video from experts on a 30-day preparation strategy to score good marks in XAT and how would be the that time management skills, how will you do it, which are the practice test papers you should look forward. So we are coming up with those info on this YouTube channel link Apna College. So do subscribe and like our channel, press the bell icon if you want new video updates immediately, and also share this link with your friends. All the best.